Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be installing and reviewing the glass camera protector for the iPhone 11. Though we're installing this protector on the iPhone 11 today, this camera protector is also available for the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max models. The iPhone 11 Pro Max camera setup has taken the internet by storm, with its unsettling cluster lens formation and vulnerable individual lenses in the top corner. The iPhone 11 follows the same sort of setup with two raised camera lens bumps in a small square formation in the top corner. Even with some of the best cases, the camera remains exposed and the market doesn't offer much variety in the lens protection sector. So Olixar have come up with a solution by creating this easy apply glass camera lens protector that fills in the gaps between the lenses and covers the lens from any potential scratches and scuffs. The design fills the space, creating a nice filled in black square cutout, turning both lenses into a single raised bump. Installing the camera protector is as simple as peeling away the backing and applying the glass to the lens. Olixar have provided a cleaning and application pack to make the installation as easy as possible. Inside the box you'll find a cleaning wipe, a microfiber cloth, a set of dust removal stickers, as well as two glass protectors. To apply, clean the area down with a cleaning wipe before drying it off thoroughly with the cloth. Make sure that there's no dust on the lens by running it over with the dust removal sticker. Peel away the backing on the glass protector and lower it down onto the camera, lining up the cutouts with the lenses. Now all you need to do is press down gently over the protector to make sure that it's properly secure before going about your day. Overall, I like the effect of this protector. It cleans up the look of the camera by filling in the gaps and making it a little more presentable. While quite low in cost, Olixar have made a good value product here, giving substantial cover for this unique lens placement, while including a replacement protector in case the previous one becomes damaged. Opening up the camera, it doesn't obstruct the lens or affect the image quality, which is a huge bonus. It even fits well around some cases that we've tried, but I would avoid using this protector with cases that have a snug fit or a deep camera cutout, as it might push the protector out of place or it simply won't fit around the glass. So that's it for our look into the Olixar glass camera protector for the iPhone 11. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more quality smartphone accessory reviews and daily content. Thanks for watching.